Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. In today's lesson, I would like to share with you a very inspirational poem written by Miss Marcella Lewis, who happens to be the grandmother of Dr. Gwen Eunice Gonzalez. So in lieu of the upcoming 19th November celebration, this poem reminds me that our ancestors fought and won and fought many battles for us to keep our culture intact. So I think it's a great reminder before this year's celebration. And then that time come and bash up. Alright, here we go. Garinagu, Sarawama, Chuluha Dan. Garinagu, Sarawama, Chuluha Dan. Garinagu, arise, the time has come. You be Wama and Lido Abba. How Reckless say?
You be Wama and Lido Abba.
But shout out Reckless, man. Large up family. You be Wama and Lido Abba. Be as one. Hurawa me fanidira. Iorawame wa malali. Kemo wa barogun. Hurawa me fanidira. Iorawame wa malali. Kemo wa barogun. Wave our flag. Raise our voice. Let us go forward. Garinagu.
Magura wame.
Wanasi. Adimuraha wame wereru. Garinagu. Let us not abandon our roots. Let us speak our language. Panta wama la wereru niduheyo. Let us be proud of our language, kinfolks.
Gamalali wama.
Agambua wamamuga. Dara lamuga bena waba. Luwe beluru luwe huya. Gamalale wama agambua wamamuga. Dara lamuga bena waba lu wabeluru luwe huya. Let us have a voice so we may be heard, so the door may be open for us to come in from the rain. Buchawa wago ahuyuwa. We are tired of being in the rain. Wasanigo garinago, eyerinyu, hiyarinyu, the guama. We de haluwago, lawansero, wagera, haraseha, wayunago waba. Wasanigo garinago.
Hiariu, the guama.
We de haluwago, lawansero, wagera, haraseha, wayunago waba. Our Garifuna children, boys and girls, let us stand and help in the advancement of our homeland established for us by our ancestors.
Lu sudara badiwala harati. Luyawa le menigirame wagera le balisi. Wabi, le bime wabi. You must be brave soldiers, guardians, and support our homeland beliefs. Our home, sweet home.
You say,